Okay, so Mr. Burton is going to show you how to make that Automoblocks axle. So the first thing you need to do is, and I am going to share my screen. So first thing you do is get on Autodesk. You're going to hit File, you're going to hit New, and then make sure it's on standard IPT, and you're going to create. So what I have here is the dimension sheet, and this is what I'm going to be building from. So right here on the dimension sheet, it says you're only going to sketch half of the section, and then we're going to do that revolve command that I just talked to you about. Once you have that up, you're going to hit Start 2D Sketch, hit the XY plane. And so I'm going to start from the axis line. Now, if you notice, the axis line doesn't necessarily have a dimension. So I'm just going to draw a straight line. And I'm also going to draw this little shape here, but I'm not going to dimension it yet. We're going to add the dimensions in. So for this first part of the sketch, just create this similar little shape here that I'm drawing with the line tool. It doesn't have to be the exact same size as mine, because again, we're going to dimension it to the correct size. Now, the first dimension we see is this line right here. See, that is 0.33. Oops, dimension, so that's 0.33. Cool. And then we also see right here that this line from here to here is 0.05. So I'm going to type that in. Now, we have some diameters here that we need to enter, but of course, since we're doing half, we're going to cut these in half. So from here to here is 0.19. So that's 0.19, but of course, we're going to cut it in half, so we divide by 2. Or you could put in 0.095. So here it is 0.25, and we're going to divide it by 2. So here to here is 0.29, and we're going to divide that by 2. All right, so you got the first shape. First part of that shape there. Don't worry about trimming that. I just trimmed it for myself, so you don't have to cut that out. Now, we're going to build the second part of this actual shape here to the left. So it looks like this. And again, don't worry about if yours looks quite like mine, because again, we are going to dimension it out to the correct size. So that line there is 0.05, and this line coming down here is 0.01. Now, according to the dimension sheet, this line is 0.19. This line is 0.25. And then we're going to do the diameters on the opposite side. So from here to here is 0.19 divided by 2, 0.25 divided by 2, 0.3 divided by 2. So from here to here, we're going to have 0.19 divided by 2, and that was already in the correct dimension. We're going to do here to here, which is 0.25 divided by 2, 1.25. And then here to here, we're going to do 0.3 divided by 2, which is 1.5. Now, we're going to finish up that shape. So we're going to pull this in here, pull this up. It doesn't matter how high, because we got to dimension that later. But this line from here to here is going to be 0.07. So, oops, which I did not mean to do it like that. Let me undo that. So again, we're going to come up, come over by 0.07, and then you're going to come down a little bit, okay? Now, we're going to do that overall height dimension. So from here to here, pull it out, and that is going to be 0.4 divided by 2, or just 0.2. Now, see here, this line is a little too long, so I'm going to delete that. I'm going to delete that line. I'm going to drag this over a little bit because that doesn't have a dimension. And then here, we're just going to finish that shape up. Drag it from here, up here. And then we need it overall width dimension. So from here to here, going to be 0.88. Perfect. So overall, all your dimensions should kind of look like this. And we're going to finish that sketch. We are going to revolve that around like this. Hit OK. And then just take a look at it from here. So this should kind of all be straight. Like that line here shouldn't be kind of up here, shouldn't be down here. We should pretty much have a straight on axle. So the last thing that we have to do is we have to cut that little slot up here. So we're gonna start a sketch right here on this part of the axle. We're going to take a 2-point center rectangle and we're gonna hit 0.04. Doesn't matter how tall it is, just as long as it's going over the entire shape. And then what you do is you extrude that back by 0.2. And you have a completed axle. The last thing we're going to do, though, is we are going to, you can make it whatever color you want, but just for a standard, car axle that's going to go into a rim, just hit the chrome polish, make it metal. Then you are going to save that into your Q drive. So this is the Automovlox axle. And then you can put your initials there as well. All right, so we got that first car part done.